Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing my university room tour. I've been really excited to film this video because I think I've got my room more or less how I want it. I will probably change it throughout the year a little bit, but I've been really excited to film this, and I didn't really see the point in setting all my light and my tripod up just to film the intro, so I've just done a little vlog style clip. So yeah, let's get on to the room tour. So this is my door as you come in. It's just saying that it's like a fire door and all that. And then I've just got a little hook with my key and my USB stick, because if you guys didn't know, I am studying film photography and media, so we have to have like a USB stick, ideally also a hard drive. I've asked for one for Christmas because they're so expensive, and yeah, I just need a USB to store all of my things on, my photos and all that stuff. Probably a hard drive is going to be the best idea when it comes to film, but we haven't done a module in film yet. That starts in January, which is good because then that means I can ask for one for Christmas. So yeah, this is my door with my keyring, and then as you come around from my door, I have two hooks which I keep all my coats on. There's a little tote bag here which is a nightclub which is at home. This is like, that's not the local nightclub. I'm studying in Leeds. That's a nightclub in Sheffield because that's near where I'm from. It's my favourite nightclub, and my friend who's studying in Sheffield brought me it. And then I've just got like a few tote bags from Freshers under there. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I've got all my coats there. And then my full length mirror here with my fairy lights, which are from Primark, and then the battery packs hanging there. It's a bit it's not the best look, but oh well. But yeah, it's a full length mirror, and these lights are just little pom-pom lights, and I just thought they fit really well around the mirror. So then turning round, I have my wardrobe. It's quite a small wardrobe, but I have managed to fit everything in it. It's a bit of a mess at the bottom where I've just shoved things in that couldn't go on hangers. I've got a shelf at the top for all my shoes, and on top of my wardrobe I've got my little drying rack, and then two drawers down here which I've got like underwear and gym stuff and pyjamas in. And then so my hooks are there, my wardrobe's there, and my bathroom is here. I have an ensuite. I've just cleaned my bathroom, so it's looking great at the moment. On the back of my door I have my dressing gown hanging, and then this little bag that my nana actually made me. Then I've got my washing basket, which is really full, and then this is my bathroom. So I've just got a little shelf here with all my I've got my retainer, a deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, hand wash, and all the face wash and stuff. Then toilet. Lovely, you definitely wanted to see that. And then I've got a little crate down there which just has some cleaning products in and just extra things that obviously I couldn't fit on there because the bathroom's not massive. I didn't expect it to be, but I just thought that would maximise the storage. Then I've just got the little towel rail with my hand towel on, and then my shower, which is quite a decent size actually, and then two little hooks here which have towels on. I'm not sure what happened to this towel. It looks like it's been bleached somehow, but yeah, I'm not really sure what happened there. Yeah, it's probably been bleached because I think it's just been bleached when I was bleaching my bathroom. Yeah, problems of being clean. I have used so much bleach while I've been here. It's a bit unreal. So yeah, bleached my towel already. But I have white towels, so I'll use those next time, and then I can't bleach them anymore. So this is my mirror, like I said, and as you come in, this is what you see. So that is my desk area there, and then my bed area is here, and I have a little fairy light curtain. I haven't shown you guys this properly yet because I was waiting to show you in the room tour, but I showed you in my moving in vlog me putting this up. So I just have these fairy lights. Literally, these are the Primark fairy lights, the 40 LED string lights, which cost about £2 I think, and I've used 3 sets of them. As you can see, the battery packs hanging there aren't that nice, but I could have, you know, I've just got to work with it because that's what I had. And then I've used little command hooks to just hang them up in like a fairy light pad, in a fairy light curtain like pattern thing, and then the excess I've just draped along the side of the bed. So my bedding is from Next. My laptop's just at the end. I absolutely love this little throw. I could have done with a bigger one just because it only just fits on my bed, but it's from Next and it's got little pom-poms on the edge, like a pom-pom trim, and I just think that's so cute. So my bedding is from Next. It's just like this turquoise one. Then this pillow here had my nana actually made for me. This pillow here kind of blends in with the bed, and that's from Primark. This one is from Aldi, this marble one. This one was given to me, but I think it's from Tesco's. This one's from Wilko, this one's from Primark, and this one is from Next. So yeah, quite affordable cushions there. Obviously one I had made for me. But yeah, I do love this area. and yeah, I think it's really cute. So then turning round, so coming along to this section of my room, I just have my little letterboard that says don't quit your daydream, and I did have it say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday down the side, but I could never be bothered to change it with my plans every week. Then I've got my little radiator, I've just got my gym stuff on there, and then my dishcloth, I just bring it in here every time I've used it just so it doesn't smell, because I've already had to throw one away just because it smelled being around the sink all the time. So I just bring it in here every time. And then I've got a little basket down there which my nana actually gave me a little uni hamper in, but obviously the uni hamper's all in the cupboards now. So I just put my tea towels in there. There's none in there currently because I go through tea towels so fast. So then I've just got my pegboard, and there's some pictures of me and my friends on there and some train tickets. And then I've got my record player. It's currently got a record on because I was just listening to it. It's Foster the People Sacred Hearts Club, and all my records are underneath it. It's like a handy table because I can just store them underneath. That is my bag that I take to uni with me, and I've had that for ages. I used to use it in college as well. Then I've got my notice board, which I really want to add more things to. So currently I've just got a calendar on there, and then this like little dream sign which should light up, but the battery pack has totally broken, like the ends like totally come off. But yeah, I just think it looks cute there. And then I've got these two little Hawaiian flower necklaces, I don't know what to call them, which I got given to me in Freshers Week. And then this is my window. I look out onto the Leeds General Infirmary, and over there, like kind of where that red flag is, I don't know if you can see, but helicopters land on top of it. So sometimes I just randomly see a helicopter like drifting past my window, so that's nice when I'm laying on my bed. So on here I've just got this little notebook which I just put ideas in, and then a cookbook's underneath that. To be honest, that should be on my bookshelf, but I just haven't put it back. And then a little lamp from IKEA, and then my pencil case and a reed diffuser. And then also I've got a few cards here which I haven't taken down yet. It was like good luck in your new home, and then when I passed my driving test, which was like over a month ago now, but I've just not taken them down since I moved in. And then some pins for my pin board, and then I've got this washing up powder, which if you saw my weekly vlog last week, I opened it thinking it was washing tablets, but it was actually washing powder, and I have nowhere to put it, so I'm just leaving it there. I'll use it soon, but I thought it was tablets. And then this is my desk area. So here I have my mirror where I do my makeup every day. That's from IKEA. And then I've just got my, oh, it's so dark here because this light bulb went out and he tried to fix it and then he broke something inside it. So I'll put my little lamp on, see if that makes any kind of difference. Move it here, see if we can see things a little bit better. Maybe a little bit. I've got a glass there because I've just had some Diet Coke before filming this. And then I've just got my little makeup brush pot with my tweezers on. And then this is my makeup, this makeup storage. If you saw my uni haul, is from B&M and it was £5. It's such a good deal. And then I've got the Snow Fairy body spray. I bought this the other day. It was £20. Like, honestly, what a rip-off. But to be honest, it smells like so nice, and it makes my room smell nice when I spray it in here as well. And then I've just got the little light box saying busy doing nothing because I thought it was funny. I'm embarrassing with all my quotes, like don't quit your daydreaming, you've got this, and then busy doing nothing. And then I've got my little light up E. There I've just got my folders for my modules, and then in there I've got plasters and tablets. Then I've just brought a few books from home, my cocktail shaker, and then a fake plant, and a few candles which I can't burn because it's a fire safety hazard. And then I've got a What Do You Meme game, which is a bit like Cards Against Humanity but slightly different. Then I've got a few Soap and Glory tins that's got like my letters in for my letterboard, which is over there. And then I've got some Malibu pineapple flavour and sour and apple sours. Yeah, I got those from Home Bargains the other day, and the pineapple Malibu was £6.99 and the apple sours was like under £4 or under £5, I can't remember, but it was so cheap. I've got my tiger ears from the zoo party, and then my camera case hanging from there. And then you will have seen these in my uni haul if you watched it. I've got these hanging by Velcro command strips. My friend makes these prints. I will link her shop down below. She's got a website, and I'm wanting another one because I feel like 3 would look better than 2, but the frames were from Wilco's for £1 each, and pandas are my favourite animal. And then this is my star sign concealer constellation. I've also got a little mug down here with my star sign constellation on, which has pens in and scissors, and then like a box of tissues. I think that's pretty much it. I've shown you it all. It's not big, but it's not small either. I know some people who live in a lot smaller rooms than me, so I'm quite grateful to have like I've got a 3/4 double bed. Obviously it's not a full one, but it's a double bed, and I'm really grateful to have that. So yeah, that is my uni room. Oh, I've got little drawers as well. Let me show you the drawers. In this drawer I keep hair things, so like my hairbrush, hairspray, my curler and my hairdryer. Then there's some like makeup in there. And then down here is like more stationery and pens and stuff, and just miscellaneous bits really. And then also under my desk I've got my tripod, my little waste paper bin, and my softbox light, and then a little cleaning caddy under there which just holds all of my cleaning things. Also we have underbed storage in my accommodation as well, so these little bits open and you can put things under your bed, which is really helpful because it just means more storage, so I can like store things away and it's not all a mess on my floor. So yeah, that is my room, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next week. I'm going to be doing another weekly vlog next week, just because I found those easy to do and it doesn't interfere with my timetable too much. And then the week after I'm going to do like another sit down video. So yeah, I might alternate between doing sit down videos and weekly vlogs. Let me know if that's what you guys would like to see. Yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next week for another weekly vlog. Bye!